to Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. Good morning. I'm having a glorious morning in my bed, as usual, reading Christmas at Highclere and getting lots of ideas. And I've just realised that I haven't done something yet that I do every single winter, which is changing the decoration of my bed for the winter season. So as you can see, everything around me is quite pink and summery. I have my white duvet cover. I also have a lovely pink one in the summer. But in winter, I change all of that, just as people used to do in 18th century France, when it became very popular from the 1720s onwards to change all of the fabric in your room, upholstery, curtains, fire screens, with every different season. A type of armchair called the chaise en châssis was invented, meaning that the upholstery could be popped out and replaced with a different upholstery for each passing season. So people could decorate their rooms with light silks and cottons in summer and then rich velvets or tapestries in winter. Now, sadly, I don't have 18th century armchairs in chassis style. I don't have different suites of upholstery, and I don't have any more curtains for my bedroom. But I do have different bed covers. Most of us can manage stretching to a little bit of different bedding, even if it's just an extra blanket thrown over the bed. So I'll show you how I'm going to change my bed to stay warm and snug in the winter season ahead. This is my summer bed. I have a lot of bedding from Yves Delorme. I don't actually know where the beautiful pink peacock pillowcases came from. I think my father bought them at a fair that he was at once. And he also bought me my favourite thing, which is the bedspread. And that's by the Volga Linen Company. And he bought it for me when we were on holiday in St. Petersburg. And I love my headboard because it's from the sale of the furniture of the Ritz when they renovated. So this bed was gracing the Ritz Hotel in Paris once. But it's time to transform it for winter to something much snugger. I've literally walked into my room to find Michael moving my old headboard out because I haven't done it yet and he thinks I'm being naughty.
Well, I kept looking at it and saying, what on earth is that doing there? And you said, it's there because nobody's moved it.
I wasn't meaning you should move
so I'm
it.
moving it.
Thank you.
Not far, but just out of the way.
Thank you. It is nice to see the fireplace again. I haven't been able to look at my fireplace for about 2 weeks. You're an angel. I'm putting together my winter bedding scheme for this year, and there are some things that are unchanging. This is my winter duvet cover. I go more into the mushroomy, oystery colours in winter. And this is my incredibly kitsch and incredibly loved Pierre Frey bedsheet. And it's just winter scenes, like from Austria. It's just so cute. And I love having that on my bed in winter. But then, when I was in Scotland recently, I found this lovely blanket. And I thought, oh, look, it's going to work with all of that. They also had lots of fabric. Just cut fabric. And there was a little offcut that I thought was really pretty. And there was this one, and this is pinks, obviously, rather than the reds. But I thought that on top of that would look really good. And then I could make a little cushion in this. And maybe perhaps do some edging. And then I'm going to find some really lovely red cushions. And I have some mushroomy coloured velvet cushions. So I'm going to hunt around the house, get everything that I want to make the most perfect bed. All they had of this one in the shop was one long thin offcut. That's it. I bought everything they had. And I'm not convinced it's quite going to fit, but it's so close. Anyway, I'm going to make it and I'm going to try to cram the pillow into it. So I've just folded it to the length of the pillow. I've turned this back to make a little flap to fit the cushion under at one end to neaten it up, lined it up with the other end, and now I'm going to edge the whole thing with a little bit of this red tartan just to bring it more into my bedding theme. Last seam, Michael. Is it gonna work? Right, let's see. Moment of truth.
Does it work?
I'm a bit nervous actually, because I've never made a cushion cover like this before.
It's going to be a plump cushion.
I like a good plump cushion. Is that you sniggering in the background, Marie?
You having fun there, Steph?
Just very simply slip the cushion into the case that you've made. Just
Force it.
gently pop it in there.
You didn't waste a scrap of fabric,
I
so it
really didn't.
actually does look quite good.
Why do you sound surprised? It's done. And with this weather outside, it is definitely time to get my winter bedding on. Michael, your help is invaluable in making the bed. Thank you so much.
I am the ghost of Lalon.
Ridiculous man.
Turning off the
Could
lights.
the ghost of Lalon please help me
ghost
to
of
make my bed?
I am stuck, genuinely stuck.
Yeah, I'm enjoying that very much. You're gonna help me make my bed now?
I am helping, aren't I?
Very much so. You're entertaining me a lot. Right. Now I'm layering up the bed. There's my darker Yves Saint Laurent duvet cover for winter. Then the vulgar linen bedspread. Voila! My bed is ready for winter. I have the pure new wool blanket, extra tartan blanket, the new tartan pillow. Obviously, my little Rudolph cushions that come out every Christmas. Now I just want to relax. Do you like it?
I think it's beautiful.
It's so snug and wintry. It's a million pillows. This is a moment when more is definitely more.
You've got about 100 cushions on there.
I know, I love it. And I get really snuggly. This is brilliant. What I need is whiskey and my friends. Marie? Whiskey and a Christmas gossip.
Let's do it.
Marie bought me this beautiful decanter.
Did I? Oh, yeah, that's true.
Love it.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's Christmas.
Good Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and good luck making your bed into a beautiful winter haven where you can snuggle up with your loved ones.
Oh, I love a bit of gossip, me. Oh. Spilt beans, Stephanie. Tell us it all. Merry Christmas.